This course introduces students to the foundation of database systems and the principles of relational database management using SQL. Students will learn how to design, create, query, and manage databases by performing SQL operations. Topics include data modeling, normalization, keys, constraints, indexes, and views, reinforced through practical exercises. In this course, we will cover 5 modules which are database fundamentals, database objects and optimizations, database management systems, database programming, and advanced database concepts. Database fundamentals. These are the basic commands SQL used to talk to the database. Create table. Think of this as building a new filing cabinet or drawing the grid lines on a piece of paper. You are defining the structure, what columns, headers exist, and what kind of data goes in them. Insert. This is the action of writing data into the table. It's like adding a new row of information to your spreadsheet. Select. This is how we ask questions. We use this to look up, filter, and retrieve specific data from the database without changing it. Update. This is for editing existing information. If a user changes their email address or a price changes, we use this command to modify the specific row. Delete. This removes data. Be careful. This wipes out specific rows of information permanently. Drop. Unlike delete, which removes contents, drop destroys the entire table structure itself. Module 2. Database objects and optimizations. Create view. Think of a view as a saved search or a virtual window. It doesn't store new data, it just saves a complex select query, so you can look at the data in a specific way easily later. Create index. This is like the index at the back of a textbook. Without it, the database has to read every single page, row, to find an answer. With an index, it jumps straight to the right page instantly. Module 3 Database Management System, SQLite, the lightweight option. It's a file-based database often used in mobile apps or small projects. It requires no server setup. It just lives in a file. MySQL, the popular web standard. It powers a huge portion of the internet, like WordPress. It is known for being fast and easy to use for web development. Module 4, Database Programming. The database is just a storage vault. To use it in an app, you need a bridge. These connectors, like libraries or drivers, allow your Python or Java code to send SQL commands to the database and get answers back. Finally, Module 5, Advanced Database Concepts, Replication. This is about safety and speed. It means copying the data from one main database, master, to other databases. If the main one crashes, you have a backup ready to go, or you can let users read from the copies to reduce traffic. Now that you learned the concepts, you are ready to apply it to real-world applications. Our next videos will cover each of these modules through practical exercises.